I get to go with people in my small classes, and we're really connecting what we learn in the classroom to such a diverse and politically interesting city that's connected not only with the locality, but the globe. I was able to go on a class trip to the LA port with my economics senior seminar, which is a class of about 15 students where we're learning very specific topics within our field. Within this class, I was learning about international trade and investment, and so we got to learn about how firms make decisions based on whether they should export, whether they should produce domestically in their own country.
Get sent down or picked up off the ground?
Now that I'm graduating, I'm excited to be launching my career in downtown Los Angeles at a strategic communications consulting firm. I'm excited to use the quantitative analysis skills I've learned from my economics major, as well as the qualitative writing skills that I've learned from my politics minor, where at Oxy I get to combine two distinct disciplines and really hone skills that will help me as I graduate and go into my career. We can talk about numbers and how many tons of products are loaded in and out of the LA port, but once we got to see it, it's a pretty endless landscape. Even though I'm a local student and wanted to be closer to home, I knew that LA was a great place to, one, launch my career in such a globally connected city, and two, with Oxy being a smaller school in LA compared to other colleges, it was a great place to meet new people and be connected with my professors as well.